If you want to clear browsing data on POCO F7, what you have to do is first of all open the browser. So let's say I'm going to use the Chrome browser as an example. Now in this case, in order to clear browsing data, we can tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and then we have delete browsing data. In some other cases, of course, these three dots or any other icon for some quick settings, it might look in a different way. It might be positioned in a different spot, like left side or at the bottom of the screen. This just depends on the browser itself. So in the case of the Chrome browser, it is over here, and we can find delete browsing data. You might also need to open settings in order to find some options related to clearing data. Nevertheless, if you manage to find it, you should be able to, for example, remove everything from the browser. In this case, in the case of the Chrome browser, we also can choose the time period or the time range. You can also go to more options in order to decide precisely what should be removed, like the browsing history, cookies, and site data, and so on and so forth. You can select everything, adjust the time range, and then press delete data over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.